Hello dear students, today we're going to learn 16 Mahajanapadas. Okay, so a bit intro about Mahajanapadas. So actually in 6th century BC, when 6th century BC, 16 big territorial states emerged in India, who had actually, why were they called territorial states? Because they ruled large territories of their own, and they had a large standing army. Okay, so in that in 6th century BC, it was actually these 6 divisions which ruled the India at that time. Okay, and today we're going to learn those 16 Mahajanapadas. I will try to keep it concise and as simple as possible, because this topic will stress mostly on the state wise division. We're going to learn how these Mahajanapadas were located in the different present states of India. Okay, so we'll start from UP. So Uttar Pradesh had 8 Mahajanapadas. Okay, 8 Mahajanapadas, then followed by Bihar, which had 3 Mahajanapadas. Then Bihar was followed by the general categorization, that was North, okay, which had 2. Then later on all were followed by 1. That is, for example, Rajasthan had 1, Madhya Pradesh had 1, okay, and South India, there was 1. So if we will add them up, so these are equal to 8, and this 8 plus 8 will be equal to 16. So as you can say, half of the Mahajanapadas only lied in the present state of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so let's start to learn these 16 Mahajanapadas. So first of all, I'm going to start with North, okay, because North had only 2 Mahajanapadas. So first one was Kamboja with its capital as Takshila. Sorry, Kamboja with its capital as Raipur. Okay, Kamboja had its capital as Raipur. Then the second was Gandhara, and the capital of Gandhara was Takshila. Okay, so we can see the two Mahajanapadas. First one was Kamboja and second one was Gandhara. Okay, so this Kamboja, this is presently in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, in the district of Poonch. Okay, and Gandhara is actually Afghanistan. So this is about the north. Now let's move towards south. Okay, so south had only 1 Mahajanapada, that was Asaka, and the capital of Asaka was Potali or Potana. Somewhere it's called as Potali, and somewhere some texts mention as Potana. So south had only 1 Mahajanapada with the capital Potali or Potana. Okay, then we move to the Bihar region. Bihar region. So Bihar had 3 Mahajanapadas. Okay, the first one was Magad, okay, and the capital of Magad was Patliputra. And this Magad was a very strategic location, and it was surrounded by 5 mountains. Okay, so it was kind of very impossible to defeat the kingdom of Magad. That's why Magad rose. There are many other reasons, but this is one of the geographical regions. So Magad with the capital Patliputra, and then Anga with the capital Champa, and Vriji or Vajji with the capital Vaishali. Okay, so in Bihar we covered 3: Magad, capital Patliputra; Anga, capital Champa; Vriji or Vajji as the capital Vaishali. Okay, so the Bihar is done, south is done, north is done, and we're gonna move towards Rajasthan. So Rajasthan had only one Mahajanapada, that was Matsya. Matsya. And Matsya's capital was Viratnagar. Okay. So the last 8 which we're gonna learn, those all now fall in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. So UP. Now we're gonna learn the Mahajanapadas lying in UP. I'm gonna write them down. First, all that start with K, that is Kuru, Kashi, Kosambi, okay, Kosala. So I made them easy for you so that you can remember. Kuru, Kashi, Kosambi and Kosala. Okay. I'm gonna write their capitals now. So Kuru, the capital was Hastinapur. Hastinapur, okay, or Indraprastha. Indraprastha. Okay. And then Kashi. Kashi's capital was Varanasi, which is present day Banaras. And Kosambi, its capital was Vatsa. Or you can remember it vice versa. Or you can say Vatsa was the Mahajanapad and its capital was Kosambi. So I mentioned it here so that it will be easy for you guys. Okay. So Vatsa and its capital is Kosambi. Then there is Kosala. Kosala's capital is Shravasti. Shravasti. So these are 4. Now only 4 are remaining. Okay. Those 4 also lie in UP. Okay. So the 4 are Sursena, Sursena, Sursena or Shursena, and the capital is Mathura. Next one is Mala, and the capital is Pawa or Kushinagar. So somewhere it's Pawa and somewhere it's Kushinagar. We can consider the both were the capital, okay? And Surasena, Mala, then there is Chedi. And the capital of Chedi was Suktimati. Okay, Suktimati. And then there is Panchala. Panchala with the capital. It had 2 capitals, that's Ahi Chhatra. Ahi Chhatra or not or and Kampilya. So these are the 8 Mahajanapadas which existed in present day UP. Kuru, capital Hastinapur, Kashi, capital Varanasi, Kosambi, capital Vatsa, Kosala, capital Shravasti, Shursena, capital Mathura, Mala, capital Pawa or Kushinagar, Chedi, capital Suktamati, Panchala, capital Ahichhatra and Kampilya. So this is it for today. We're gonna have some further discussion about these Mahajanapadas in the next videos. Thank you so much.